This video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a look at the NV3 counterfeit note detector. The NV3 is a 9 watt counterfeit UV light detector, so it gives off a lot more light than a lot of the other machines on the market. If you're looking at UV bulbs, most of the standard ones used by retailers are 4 watt. Ours is 9 watt, so it's a lot more powerful, which is great if you're not looking at your notes in the dark. So we've been selling this machine for a long time. Thought with the advent of the new Polymer notes, the 5, the 10, the 20 and the 50, we thought we'd have a new look at it and make sure that it works with all the notes. So here we've got the outgoing cotton paper £50 note, and you can see how well that works with the NV3. Beneath it we've got the 20, exactly the same. You've got the red and green hologram, the magnetic strip, and then also the green and red flecks throughout the note. If we look at some of the new Polymer notes, you've got again the green and red checkered marking. So we'll look at the Bank of England fiver. Yeah, again exactly the same as the 10. It fluoresces nicely. We've also got some international currency. Well, Scotland, I don't know if that counts as international yet, but they've got some UV marking which fluoresces up nicely on the Clydesdale Bank 10. Also the old Royal Bank of Scotland 10 shows up nicely. We've got some Barbadian currency, Central Bank of Barbados. Again, that comes up nicely, so you can use the UV bulbs around the world. Pretty much every currency you can think of would work with it. You've got a Russian note here. That's probably the weakest one in terms of the ones we've got. That's just got some flecks showing, but even that has some. This machine works with it. We've got a Croatian note here, another Scottish one here, Clydesdale Bank 20, the new Scottish Polymers, Clydesdale Bank fiver shows up. Checks aren't so big these days, but the bulbs are powerful enough to show the markings. You put that under there, you've got all the fluorescing, so you can also use the machines with cards that have any holograms in them. So bank cards will often have or a Visa card will have the V for Visa on there. So they're really good devices, and for the price of them, we think they're a worthwhile investment for anyone taking cash payments. If you think of the price of this machine, if this stops you taking 2 fake £20 notes in a year, then it's basically paid for itself. So that's what these are like poor fake notes, admittedly, but you can see there it just looks so different from when you're looking at a genuine note. And one of the things is if you've got a UV detector in your shop and it gets known about, anyone with any dodgy money is going to be reluctant to try it on you, because you've got a reputation as being someone who knows what the crack is with the fake notes, and not being foolish enough to not test one if it looks suspicious. So yeah, that's the basic machine. Obviously it comes with a mains power supply. You just plug it in, turn it on, and you're ready to start preventing you and your staff taking fake notes. We've got plenty of other counterfeit note detectors available on the website shopstuff.co.uk. Subscribe to this YouTube channel because we're always posting new things about the latest products we've got available. Yeah, thanks for watching.